has our guide and this part, okay, and this part how to remove or how to separate module in the store.js1 file as to create module directory in the Vue.js. Okay, so I show you already with the part 13. Okay, part 13 we have the two module. In the first module refer to the to-dos and the second module refer to the task. Okay, right now we create or we separate the file. So in the source we create module. Okay, we create module refer to the we add the module here. Okay, but you can change any directory that you want to store the module, or we refer to the stats. Okay, right now we create module. Okay, create module. So we had a module. Right now we has created already with a directory module. So in the module I create to-dos. Okay, we add to-do. Okay, I add to-do. So in the module to-do I create the file. Okay, in type.js. Okay, because I don't want to use the fluffler as a module to do and slash in type.js. So right now we copy the data here. Okay, data, and I cut. Okay, we cut tools. Okay, I cut. So we go to the module and to do dot in type.js. I pass here. Yes. When I refresh, okay, right now the module error because the store.js cannot find the to-do list. So we import okay, I add the to-do from the to-do slash and module. Okay, we use the module slash and we use the to-dos. Okay, so everyone, I agree with what's happened. Okay, so modules, not modules. Okay. Okay, I change to the module. So I refresh. Okay, so in a batch we can in modules in type.js we can use with the default. If we use it like this, you can export with the to do like this. Okay, to do. Okay, we can export the to do. Okay. If you use with the default, okay, with the default export, you can change to the, for example, you can export default, you can use the and by you like this. Okay, and this is the default. This one. Okay, and the same parts I use with the news, so and refer to the video like this. When I refresh, okay, you can call the module. Okay, getter is not defined, so okay, so sorry everybody, and Okay, multi-way that you want to use. So right now we create more. Okay, small module. Right now we create the separate folder. So in module I create the task. Okay, I create the task. So in the module task we create the file in type.js. So I pass the task here. Okay, I close. So in the store.js we import the task here. Okay, from .module. Okay, use slash and task. Very fresh. Okay, the same. So if you want to use the console, okay, I use the console and task. You can see the stat and get like this. So I change it. Okay, everyone, and this part how to the separate or move module is to directory module. Okay, everyone, and this part I want to finish. So if you love my video, please don't forget subscribe, comment on my video. Okay, everybody, say goodbye. Don't forget to meet the next time with the RESTful API to complete this our graphs course. Okay, thank you, say goodbye.